transformation inverse Laplace transform. So here we must know the transformation formula first to understand the concept better. So here only one small changes we must know the inverse Laplace transformation formulas. So here Laplace of cos AT is nothing but s by s square plus a square, whereas inverse Laplace of s by s square plus a square is nothing but cos AT. But Laplace of sin AT is nothing but a by s square plus a square. So while doing the problem, we may not have the form of a by s square plus a square. We may have 1 dividing by s square plus a square. Then inverse of this one, we can write it as sin a t dividing by this a will be written in the denominator. Similarly, Laplace of t power n, we know that it is n factorial dividing by s power n plus 1. So while doing the problem, we may have only 1 dividing by s power n plus 1, or we should write it in this form, so that while writing the inverse, we can write it this as t power n dividing by n factorial. So sometimes we do not have n factorial during that time, so we may have the problem. So if we write it in the form of 1 by s power n plus 1, we can write t power n by n factorial as inverse Laplace transform. So here inverse Laplace of s dividing by s square plus 4s plus 4. So what we must do, we do not have the form of a denominator, so we must know the property also, the three properties we have discussed earlier. Here inverse Laplace of s by s square plus 4s plus 4. First we must check that this can be written in terms of completing square. So that means, so this one denominator we can write it as s plus 2 whole square. Now we have s plus 2, but we do not have the formula for this one, s by s plus 2 whole square. So what we must do, we have the property Laplace of e power at is into f of t, we used to write it as f of s, where s is s minus a if you have e power at plus at. So here s plus 2 is there, so first we must write it as s plus 2 as s. So if when we are modifying, numerator also should be written in the form of the same order. So here s plus 2 is there, so we do not have s plus 2 in the numerator. So first we must modify this one, adding and subtracting these two. Now we can write s plus 2 as s. When we are writing this one, we must write e power at. So here s plus 2 is there, so we can write it this as e power minus 2t. Then inverse Laplace of, here s plus 2, this one s plus 2 we must write it as s minus 2 dividing by, here s plus 2 we are writing as s, so s square will be left out. Now this one e power minus 2t, so already written in terms of t. So here s minus 2 by s square is there, we split that up. Inverse Laplace of s by s square minus 2 by s square. So we can cancel one s, Now we apply the inverse Laplace. 1 by s is nothing but 1 minus 2 by s square is there. So we can write it this as 2 into inverse Laplace of 1 by s square is 1 power we must reduce. So t power 1 by 1. So we need not write 1 by 1. So answer is e power minus 2t into 1 minus 2t is the answer. So we discuss the next one, inverse Laplace of. You can write n number of problems. 1 dividing by s square minus 2s plus 1. See, first we must check whether the denominator can be written as completing square. So 1 dividing by this one, we can write it as s minus 1 whole square. So already we have discussed that we can write it this s minus 1. We must write s minus 1 s using the property, and we can write it as this as s minus 1. We can write it as e power 1t. Then s minus 1 we can write it as 1 by s square, inverse Laplace. So this one is nothing but e power t into t. Inverse Laplace of 2s dividing by s square plus 4s plus 5. So here we must check that whether this can be written as a plus b whole square in the denominator, but it is not possible. When it is not possible, what we must do? We must split this one. S square plus 4s is nothing but a square plus 2 times a into b. So here this is the form of 2 into a into b. So what is a is s here, 2ab is 4as, we split this one. 2ab is 4s, a is s, a is s. So here 2 into s into b equal to 4s. Yes, we can cancel. Similarly, we can divide this 4, we get 2. So b become 2. So here plus b square. That means we can write it this as s plus 2 whole square. So if we expand this one, what we get? S square plus 4s plus 4. But here s square plus 4s plus 5 is there. We must split this one as 4 plus 1. S square plus 4s plus 4 plus 1. We can write this as 2s dividing by s plus 2 whole square plus 1. This is the first step we must check. Now what we must do? S plus 2 should be written as s. So wherever s plus 2 is there, we must modify. But if we do not have in this format, then we must modify this one. So here we have s plus 2 in the denominator, whereas numerator 2 into s is there. We must split this one. We cannot modify this one. So what I am going to do, to modify this one, I am writing this as s plus 2 minus 2 dividing by s plus 2 whole square minus 1. Now this can be written as s plus 2 equal to s. When we are modifying this one, we must write it as e power minus 2s. So here 2t. So here e power minus 2t, open bracket. So we apply the inverse Laplace. Remember this s plus 2 I am writing as s. So s minus 2 is left out, dividing by s plus 2 become s square is there s square minus 1. So this one e power minus 2t inverse Laplace, we multiply the numerator 2s minus 2 dividing by s square minus 1. So here split the term, we split this one e power minus 2t inverse Laplace of 2s by s square minus 1 minus 2 by s square minus 1. So we can write the answer for this one. This is nothing but s by s square minus 1 is there. We can write it as e power minus 2t cos hyperbolic function of t minus sin hyperbolic function of t. So here we see that, see here e power minus 2t is there, here 2 is there, so we write it 2, and here numerator 2 is there, we write it as denominator 2. See, remember, if we apply the Laplace, we must get the same answer. So we know the Laplace of this one, s by Laplace of cos hyperbolic function of t is s by s square minus 1, sin hyperbolic function of t is 1 by s square minus 1. So 2 is there, but here we must write it as into 2. Into 2. So this is the answer. So here, so some problems, the denominator, if we can return in terms of 2 dividing by s square plus 2s plus 3. So here we must write it this as completing square. So this one we can write it as 2 by s plus 1 whole square. So here s plus 1 whole square is nothing but s square plus 2s plus 1. The remaining plus 2 we must write it separately. So how do we get this one? So here 2s is nothing but 2 into a into b. So I am comparing with this one. A is s, a is s, b we write it as it is. So 2s get cancelled, b is 1. So here this one we must, here plus is there, so we can write it as s plus 1 whole square. So I am writing s plus 1 whole square. If we expand this one, s square plus 2s plus 1 we are getting, but here plus 3 is there, we must add 2 with this one. Now here s plus 1 we can write it as s by modifying numerator. We do not have s, so there is no changes in the numerator. So when we are writing s plus 1 equal to s, we must write first e power minus t, e power minus t, then inverse Laplace of numerator 2 dividing by s plus 1 written as s, so s square plus this one 2 I am writing as root 2 whole square for in the form of formula. So here what I am going to do, I am writing the answer, so e power minus t. So this 2 I am writing as it is, 1 dividing by s square plus a square is nothing but sin at by a. So here sin a is root 2 into t dividing by root 2 we must write. So here inverse Laplace of 1 by s square plus a square is nothing but sin at dividing by a. So remember, this formula we are applying here to find out the answer. Suppose we have the question in the form of negative inverse Laplace of inverse Laplace of 2s minus 3 dividing by s square plus 6s minus 7. So what we must do? So we are going to split this one. So 6s is nothing but 2ab form and a is s. So here we can split, we can cancel some of the terms. So b equal to 3. So here plus is there, so we can write it as a plus b whole square. It is nothing but s plus 3 whole square. So what is s plus 3 whole square? S square plus 6x plus 9. You can see here we have minus 7. So we must modify accordingly to this one. So sometime we may face difficult. So what we do? We write this one as it is. 2s minus 3 dividing by, I am writing this as s square plus 6x plus 9 and subtracting 9. See, this is nothing but s plus 3 whole square. I want to write this as s plus 3 whole square. For that purpose, I am adding 9 and subtracting minus 9, so that value doesn't changes. Now, to denominator, this one I am writing as s plus 3 whole square, and minus 9 minus 7 if we add, we get minus 16. Now we must modify s plus 3 equal to s. For that purpose, we modify the numerator here itself. I am adding 3 and subtracting 3. So minus 3 is outside this s, so we write it in this format. Now we replace s plus 3 as s. When we are replacing, we must write e power minus 3 first. Then s plus 3 is written as s and minus 3 is there, so it is in the bracket, so we write it 2s minus 3 minus 3, one more minus 3 is outside the bracket, dividing by s plus 3 become s square minus 4 square. See, now this one e power minus 3t, I am multiplying the numerator, we can write it as 2s minus 6 minus 3 dividing by s square minus 4 square. So we take the we split the terms. E power minus 3t inverse Laplace of 2s dividing by s square minus 4 square minus, we take common, 9 by s square minus 4 square. So here e power minus 3t inverse Laplace of 2s. So 2 multiplication is there, so we write it 2 into s by s square minus 4 square is nothing but cos hyperbolic function of 4t minus 9, I am writing first, into 1 by is there, so we can write it as sine hyperbolic function of 4t numerator into 4 is not there, so we write it as denominator 4. So our answer for the question is nothing but e power minus 3t into 2 times cos hyperbolic function of 4t minus 9 by 4 to sine hyperbolic function of 4t. So this is the answer for 2s minus 3 dividing by 2s minus 3 dividing by s square plus 6s minus 7.